Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rebuild a top end on a Junior 50. It's made by Suzuki and it's a two-stroke. First thing we want to do is unbolt the carburetor and the exhaust. Go ahead and pull this off and then we'll go from there. Alright, now that we got that unbolted, we can go ahead and unbolt the head bolts. And I think they're 10 millimeter. Alright, now that we got that loose, we can pull the head off. And then the cylinder should slide off as well. And then we can, so on mine, my cylinder is pretty scratched up. I already had it off once. And it's just pretty bad shape, so I went ahead and bought a new cylinder along with a new piston and rings, and also got me a gasket set. So you can buy this stuff pretty cheap for these small bikes. And next, what we want to do, we want to take the piston off, and there's some little clips in here that hold the wrist pin in, and I just like to take a little flathead and kind of just pop them out. There we go. They look like that. There's one on both sides, and I'll go ahead and get the other side out. Alright, now that we got that out, we can push the wrist pin out. Sometimes they can be a little bit of a pain. Sometimes you might have to press them out with like a C-clamp, or else tap them out gently with a punch, which is what I'm going to do. Gently tap it like that. It should come out. And there's the old piston. As you can see, it is pretty burnt looking and it's pretty scratched up. So that's why we went ahead and got a new one. Okay, now we're ready to reassemble the new top end. And as you can see, I already showed you, but I did get a new cylinder because it was pretty cheap. You can reuse your old one. You just need to re-hone it out and make sure it ain't too damaged or, you know, scarred up or out of round. And on the piston right here, as you can see, there's an arrow that always points towards the exhaust. So in this case, it's going to be pointing down. And then I already put the rings on, and you'll see there's some little grooves right here, like little pins. They have to kind of like sit right there with the pins. They have to line up with the pins, or else it won't fit in the cylinder when you go to put it in. So just a quick little tip there. But next, we're ready to install the piston. So what we want to do is we want to just kind of line everything up and push our new pin through. sometimes it can be a little bit of a pain. So just work with it a little bit, and then it'll eventually kind of just pop in. There we go, just like that. And then we will put our clips on both sides, and then also we can put our new gasket on, and slide that down on like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and get the pins in. Now to install these, I'm sure there's a special tool for it, but I'll always just use a little flathead and pop them in there. I am going to stick something down in here so we don't lose them in the bottom of the engine. And again, with these, just take your time, work with them a little bit. They can be a little bit of a pain, but that one just kind of popped right on in. Make sure it's popped in there. Then we go ahead and do the other side. Okay, got both pins in. Next, I'm just going to take a little bit of 2-stroke oil, and I'm just going to kind of lather down the cylinder a little bit. You don't need a whole lot, just a little bit. Alright, make sure your rings are make sure the pins and the rings are lined up correctly. Go ahead and just kind of pushing on in now, like it's supposed to. Next, we can take our new head gasket, push that on. Go ahead and reinstall everything just like you took it off. Next, we can install our gasket right here. If you have a new one, go ahead and stick it on. If not, you can probably just reuse the old one. Alright, lastly, I'm just tightening up the exhaust right here. And then, you just make sure everything's torqued down to the specs. And that's pretty much it. That's how you rebuild the top end on this is a 1982 JR50, or 1981, I believe, JR50. Most 2-strokes are the same. Pretty simple. So if you're not sure if you should tackle it or not, go for it. I mean, not too difficult, and thanks for watching.